Hi, welcome to Avasam Insights. My name is Lucas, and in this video I am going to show you how to integrate your EKM store with Avasam. Integrating EKM store with Avasam lets you list products directly from Avasam via our listing tool functionality, download orders, as well as controlling stock levels and prices. So what I'm doing here, I'm already logged into my EKM store, and through Avasam I'm going to go to my settings, sales channel integration, and by adding the sales channel, you will be able to see all the channels that will allow you to integrate with and support integrations for. Find your EKM store. This button will take you to our help page articles regarding EKM integrations and all other EKM related functionalities. When you are ready, click on Add. So here you will enter the name for this integration. That is for your reference only. So I'll call it Lucas EKM UK. Click on Next. Here you need to set up your default currency first. Currently we support GBP only. And by adding the credentials, you need to click on the authorization key. Now Avasam would like you to access the following information from your EKM store to Avasam. Once you have gone through this, click on Allow. You might need to close this window, and in your Avasam account, click on Next. You need to add the credentials and then set the default order status. So orders with the selected order status will be downloaded from your channel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select processing. So when the order under this status is in your EKM store, you would be able to download it to your Avasam account. And default dispatch order status. So when selected, this order, when it's marked as dispatched. So I'll select the dispatch status in my EKM store, and then once it's shipped from Avasam and marked as dispatch, this will update accordingly on your EKM order. Here we can see that sales channel has been configured successfully. Now I'm going to take you through some settings of the channel. Here what you can do is reauthorize your channel. If you change your password or any different changes you want to do, and then you need to reauthorize it, or test the channel just to make sure these two are communicating correctly. Under the shipping mapping, you would be able to see shipping mapping tool, and if you click on it, this will allow you to select shipping service that you offer on your EKM store and map it to Avasam shipping service. This is just to make sure that when the orders are downloaded from the channel, the shipping is set accordingly. We've got separate videos for this, so I won't cover this here. For SKU mapping, you would not need to use this functionality if you are using our listing tool. So if you're listing products directly from Avasam to your EKM store, the SKUs are mapped automatically. Here inside the additional settings, we can see we've got an option to split orders with unknown SKUs. What it means that if you are processing orders through different channels which are non-related to Avasam SKUs, we would be able to, and the order contains one Avasam SKU, one non-Avasam SKU, we are able to split that, and only the Avasam order would be downloaded to your orders page. Exclude non-Avasam orders. This means when you are using different marketplaces to ship the orders from your EKM store, and we would not download these if they are non-related orders to Avasam. So you can select yes here. Stock update, you would need to make sure that this is turned on for all the stock to be updated accordingly from Avasam to your EKM store products. Price, including VAT update. This would need to be turned on if you are using our pricing rule engine, which can be set up accordingly. We've got separate videos for this, and you can watch that later when you are updating this functionality here. Maximum quantity to advertise. What it means here, that you are able to set the maximum number of an item you want the EKM listing to show for any listing map to an Avasam SKU. Obviously, if the stock level is higher than this number, it will be maintained at this value until you have less available. So if I said this, that I want to maximum advertise 20 items in stock all the time, then this would be shown accordingly on my channel. Stock threshold value: if you set the stock level of an item, you want the EKM listing to treat as 0, which is out of stock, for any listing mapped to Avasam SKU. So if I set this to 5, and then stock level reaches 5 in Avasam, it will then automatically zero the stock on my EKM listing, just to avoid any overselling for fast selling lines if many other sellers are listing the same item. Once you're ready, click on Save, and all these mapping details have been saved successfully. So that's it for the EKM channel integration with Avasam. If you need any help or want to look at our knowledge base, you are able to find that here under the Help Center. You can also raise a support ticket for any technical related matters to our team, or come on the live chat. Also, you've got an option to email support@avasam.com. Thank you for watching.